I I almost started this second business without having a website, and I thought, no, no, I'm going to resist it. I'm going to try and break the mold and be so different. But I still bought a URL.
Yes.
What I pointed people to at the beginning was a one-page virtual reality landing page with little click buttons on it that then took me out to my socials. Now, it cost me nothing to do. It was really straightforward. It was built from scratch, but cost nothing. But it was different. It was a bit kind of, it grabbed attention, but it soon didn't actually give enough information that people needed in a place they could go find it. And websites, still to a point, are a little bit of a background research, a proof that you exist.
Yes.
It doesn't need, I mean, I've still got a portfolio site for this, and I don't tend to turn it into a massive, e-commerce site or anything. It doesn't need it. Yeah, people just need a little bit of proof that you have a business, even though they check Companies House or the equivalents around the world.
Yeah.
And then the socials really are just about tickling lines, a bit like fishing again, where you have those lines and you just gently tickle.